Hey guys, Kaden here, and I am back with a new wig tutorial. As you can see, I have some white marks on my dome cap where my frontal is, and as you can see, I laid flat on the wig so it looks flush. So the frontal is basically sewing itself. So I'm going to be using some needle and thread, my T-pins, the dome cap of course, and the hair. So I'm going to go ahead and sew down the frontal. And guys, I must say that this ear is really soft, and I didn't get a lot of shredding, but which hair doesn't shred? Even your natural hair do shed. So I'm just gonna go ahead and see how long it's gonna hold up and how well it's gonna wear. So just keep watching the video and enjoy. And guys, this here is from Shireen Ear Store on Aliexpress, so please free to go ahead and check it out. So I'll leave the links down in the description box below, and it's really affordable here. So if you don't have the money to spend on an expensive hair, this is definitely the hair to buy if you're on a budget. As you can see, my frontal is all flat and whatever, so there's no bulging or anything. So the white marks, I use it as guide because I already went in and measured the frontal on my head. So I went ahead, put the dome cap on my head, and then mark out where the frontal stops on each side, and also where I would want to place it in the top. So the front is supposed to look funny or whatever, but when the wig is done, trust me, it will all come together. So I'm going to go ahead and do the blanket stitch method, and for the first track I'm going to be going under the first layer of the dome cap because the dome cap around the edges have like elastic band, so you don't want to go into the elastic band because you want your wig to be stretchy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go into the top layer where I'm not piercing the elastic. For each tracks, I'm going to be doing the flip over method, so I won't be cutting the tracks until I reach at the top because I don't want my frontal to look bulgy. So guys, it's just a repetitive step, so just listen to the music, and yeah, if you're new, please just go ahead and subscribe. So this is where I'm gonna start cutting the tracks, and I went in and I used the 16-inch frontal and 2.5 bundles of 18 inches. So it's the Brazilian straight, and it's from Shireen store on Aliexpress. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below, so you can go ahead and check it out. And I'm also gonna use leave the link to the video in which I was customizing the frontal to my liking. So just keep on watching. As you can see with this last track, I'm connecting it directly to the frontal, so everything is going to be laying flat. And then And guys, I must say that this here is very soft. I'm just gonna see how it holds up, so I'm just gonna go in and flat iron it. Here you go guys, this is the end result. It's all flat and laid. So thank you. Please just go ahead, like, comment and subscribe. Bye.